Hello and welcome to one and all present. My name is Lakshay and I am an intern at LEXIS and Co. I am a third year law student at New Law College, Pune, and the topic for the day is critical analysis on right to fair trial under Indian law. Everyone is supposed to be equal before the eyes of the law. This forms the basis of many judicial proceedings across the world and has a maxim to its name as well. Lex uno ores omnes alloquitur. This provision is also enshrined in the Indian Constitution under Article 14 exclusively. Conducting a fair trial is a very important aspect of the law which will ensure equality. Fair trial concept is not just provided in our country but guaranteed by other legislations worldwide as well. Various articles worldwide ensure that a fair trial is something which is not ensured by their constitution. It will provide the citizen of the nation to have the basic human rights guaranteed to him no matter what. The concept of fair trial is not limited to a statute, and the courts have over time expanded this aspect to include various aspects of criminal procedure. For instance, the Supreme Court has in past transferred cases from one state to another when it was clear beyond reasonable doubt that the accused will not be offered a fair trial or the courts may be interfered with extraneous consideration. The 42nd Amendment Act of 1976 strengthened Article 22, subsection 1 of the Constitution by enacting subsection 1 of Section 304 of the Code of Criminal Procedure and incorporating the directive principles of state policy embodied in Article 39A of the Constitution, which all go to say that a poor person who is facing trial has the right to legal assistance and defend himself. And this is not only in the Constitution and the Code of Criminal Procedure, but also in the International Covenants and Human Rights Declarations. According to Article 14, subsection 3, Part D of International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, a person facing a criminal charge has the right to defend himself in person or with assistance of a counsel of his choice, and if he does not have legal assistance, he has the right to be informed of his rights and receive legal assistance without charge if he does not have sufficient means to pay for it. In the spirit of right to life and personal liberty, everyone has the right to a fair trial by a competent court. The goal of giving competent legal assistance is to unrepresented and undefended accused people who is to ensure that they receive a free, fair, just and reasonable trial for their charges in a criminal case. Equality, justice and liberty is the trinity of fair trial recognized in India's administration of justice, where the wealthy and the poor and powerless have equal access to justice in general and the criminal justice system in particular. The Indian Constitution establishes a social policy of equal justice and free legal assistance, stating that by appropriate laws or programs or in any other way to ensure the possibilities of attaining justice are not denied to any citizen by reasons of economic or other disadvantages. Indigence should never be a reason to refuse a fair trial to equitable justice, says this social policy. Instead of making patronizing gestures to new members to the bar, special emphasis should be made to appointing qualified advocates who are capable of managing the difficult cases. This is all on the critical analysis of right to fair trial under Indian laws. Thank you.